Welcome to Baking and Brewing with Bob and Dominique. Today we're doing a little special twist. We're going to be doing our pasta outside the oven and baking our protein inside the oven. So we're doing lamb ravioli with a beurre blanc sauce and a baked salmon for a surf and turf mix. And to top it off, some whiskey sours. We're gonna make our own homemade sweet and sour mix. Really only need 2 ingredients: sugar, lemon juice. You can do fresh squeeze. I'm gonna save myself the hassle and just do the preservative lemon juice. I like the organic one, of course. We'll do 1 cup of lemon. Perfect. Turn it on. And 2 cups sugar. To make our whiskey sour, we got 3 shots of Maker's Mark. We're going to do a couple drops of bitters and 1/4 cup of the sweet and sour mix we made a little bit earlier. So thick and delicious. Cheers! So we have 4 components of this dish. We have the 2 proteins, the beurre blanc sauce, and the pasta that we'll take care of secondary. First, we're going to do some prep. We're going to start by dicing everything up. This will all go: parsley, onions, shallots, garlic will be diced and placed into the ground lamb. Then we have some salt and lemon pepper going on the salmon, which will be baked and broiled with some zucchini. The beurre blanc sauce with the heavy-duty cashew milk will be boiled down together with some cheese and butter. And garlic and shallots. Beurre blanc sauce, we're going to do 1/2 cup white wine, 1/2 cup cashew milk, heavy duty cashew milk. You don't want it to be too watered down. You can also just do a 1/2 cup of cashews soaked overnight with some water and then blend that down into your own cashew milk. About 1 to 2 shallots. And 1.5 cloves of garlic. So we'll be adding 6 tablespoons of margarine, vegan butter, into our pot slowly, little by little, as this begins to cook a little bit or simmer. In the meantime, let's go back to making pasta. Pasta time. So we have 542 grams of our gluten-free bread flour. I use Authentic Foods. We have 3 vegan eggs made from the meat egg mix. It's a combination of chia seeds and garbanzo bean flour. 30 grams of extra virgin olive oil and 271 grams of warm water. It's always quicker to use your KitchenAid or your stand mixer. First, we're going to start with the paddle attachment. Start with your water, eggs, and oil. Use a spatula. Make sure you get everything. Water. And eggs. Super thick. So I'm trying to do the Authentic Foods recipe. However, they use real eggs. It looks like we're a little too dry. So we're gonna add 30 more grams of olive oil and 60 more grams of water just to get some more of that moisture in that the eggs would normally provide. Mix for another 30 seconds. Now that it's looking better, just about the kind of moisture we want, we're going to switch over to our dough paddle and let that go for 2 minutes until it gets nice and smooth. So we're going to flour the surface and roll out with the rolling pin. We're using some malted rice flour from Eckert Malting. It's available online at glutenfreehomebrewing.com. Now we have 3 different pots going. We have our beurre blanc that's been simmering this whole time while we've been rolling out the pasta. We have our pot of water that's going to start boiling, so when we're ready to do the ravioli we can set it in. And we're going to start cooking our ground lamb, which has been marinating in our diced shallots, onions, and garlic. Time to pour it in. So we have our salmon, pink side down, skin side up. We have it seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic. Putting it in the oven for boil at 500 for about 5 to 7 minutes. Check it at 5. If it needs 2 more, leave it in. Now it's time to do your raviolis. I'm going to be doing a fold over effect. Use small little divots of ground lamb and cheese. You're gonna have to do this a couple different times.
And here we have the zucchini.
Do a quick 3-minute boil, and then we're going to throw them into the oven at 400 degrees for another 3 to 5 minutes. So since we're using bread flour, it's a little extra baking time, which is why we're going to do a boil and then a bake.